Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, my dear vascular colleague. Another lecture on my reflection from Charing Cross 2023. This time we're going to speak about new development in the innovation session on PGG, which stops aortic aneurysm growth. Probably many of you have not heard about PGG. My name is Dr. Muhammad Omar Al-Farouk. I'm a consultant vascular surgeon. This lecture has been presented by Andrew Holden, one of the very eminent vascular surgeons worldwide, and he's extremely interested in research. He's also a member of a lot of the endovascular company, Medtronic, Bard, Biotronic, Boston Scientific, Cook, Endologics, and many more. And he's usually on the cutting edge of new technology. This lecture he's presenting is basically about a very nice idea. We know that if your aneurysm cross 5.5 centimeter, in most of the cases, you need to have an intervention, either open or endo. And we know that below that level from the small UK trial, you don't get benefit from early, at least early open surgery, because the complication rate is more than the natural history of the disease. So there is a niche when you have an aortic aneurysm between 3 to 5.5 centimeter, where you most center wait until you cross 5.5. But can we have any method to delay the progression of the aortic aneurysm, which we know by study that it usually grow 5 millimeter per year. So every year it will grow to 5 millimeters. So the question of this study, what we do from 3 to 5 centimeter aortic aneurysm, where in most cases we don't have anything to offer. So he is working on a material which is of plant origin, and this material is called polyglycanol glucose, or PGG, which is similar to polyglycolic acid, which is Vascular. This is composed of a natural plant material. We got it from plant, and this material, PGG, prevent the breakdown of elastin in the muscle wall. So we know that if you get in the enzyme elastase increase in the blood, the aortic aneurysm natural history progress more frequently. So we have nearly only this drug which delay the progression of aortic aneurysm due to a novel mechanism of an action which it prevent elastin breakdown in the aneurysm. So it preserves the strength of the elastin in the aortic aneurysm. That is why it prevents progression. So they started to get what is called Nictero East system, which basically you get the PGG molecule and you put it on a balloon. You can see here the balloon that will be in the aneurysm itself, and another balloon for the let us say the infrarenal part of the aneurysm or the neck, and this is aneurysm sac. And this is a 14 French system called Nictero East, and you just put this into the aorta for 3 minutes. It seems that the best way to deliver drug into the arteries is by balloon technology. We hope that we'll have PGG either as tablet or intravenous injection, but we don't. The only way we have it to work is by a contact from a balloon into the system of the aorta. So what he usually does, the basic idea is you get an occlusion balloon, which is here, and after the occlusion balloon, you get a stabilizing balloon in the aneurysm, which is here, and then you infuse the drug, the PGG, that will go into the aneurysm wall that prevent elastin from breaking down for 3 minutes in order to have a good uptake. We know that in very few cases PGG will increase liver enzymes, but let us see how this works in humans. So he has actually done, this is the first case that was done in Hong Kong 3 years ago. And this was done by Andrew Holton. And this was the first case on 15th of August, 2022. This is a case that was being done with a follow-up of nearly 2 to 3 years. And this is the Nectura East system, where they put it for 3 minutes and infuse the drug. Now, this was the first in-human study. They were able to get 5 sites, center, which able to collect 21 patients. All of them have to sign ethical committee approval, contact that this is an experimental and it is first in human for a small aneurysm from 3.5 to 5.5. So this was the what's called FIH study design for this PGG. Now we can see the first patient over 3 years follow-up, which is a patient done in Hong Kong. You can see this is aneurysm. You can see the shape. And you can see actually over the 3 years, it hasn't changed much. It definitely has not got smaller, but at least the rate of progression is very, very low, which is very good news. Now, this is the predicted growth of usual aortic aneurysm as 5 millimeter per year. And they have classified the aortic aneurysm that they found that the expected growth has been decreased dramatically annually compared to the normal growth. This was happen in all the 21 cases. And you don't rely only on diameter, you also rely on volume, because we know that aneurysm is not a uniform shape. So you need the diameter, the AP diameter, standard diameter for measurement, and you need to measure volume by volume rendering on the DICOM loop as well. So here is by volume, again, the same result happened, that the growth was decreased in all these 21 cases. This chart explains it very, very well. If you put here the red, which is the natural history of growth, and if you put 50% reduction, which is in light brown color, and this is Nectura East system. You can see it not only half, it is less than half. It make it actually, this is here is dramatic. After 36 months, you can see the amount of growth is nearly as 10 to 20% of the normal growth. And this is dramatic. And it has been uniform to all patients. What is the benefit of this drug? Well, if most of the people presented aortic aneurysm are above 60, and if you're able to delay the presentation by 10 years or 15 years, this will make it, will fall into the lifespan, and maybe they don't need any intervention at all. So if you are able to decrease the progression of the intervention date, which will cross the 5.5 centimeter, as you can see from this chart, which is seeing the normal growth, you try to lower this curve, and by lowering this curve, you have more time that it will cross the 5.5 centimeter, at least 10 years. That's what it should be by the natural history. And this is a unique device, the East device. The summary of this great finding, which I am sure if you calculate the patient with 3 to 5.5 centimeter worldwide, they are around 21 million of patients. So there is a huge market for that. And PGG have saw the result to be 100% success, because it's easy caster. You just put it in, inflate the balloon, and you go out. So you wouldn't believe that it wouldn't work. So success is 100%. And there was no 30-day mortality or morbidity. The only things you have noticed in 3 patients that there was raised liver enzymes. So I think this is an important information. It was an important lecture of development by a very well-known vascular surgeon, Andrew Holden, which was really very enjoyable on the second day of Charing Cross 2023. I hope this quick presentation is of benefit to you, to get you the landmark presentation of that meeting. I wish you all the best and have a nice day.